Hi, it's Mitz. Today I wanted to do the unboxing for March's stationery selection box. I will post a link down below to one of our design team members, Skylar. She has already posted her unboxing and she's actually opened up all of the items and done demonstrations and things like that. So I will, of course, link her video down below. So here is March's box. I am going to go down this list here. First thing is the Chalkboy die cut name tag or name card, and you'll see in Skylar's video, but there's blue foiling all the way around. I really like this really nice, I think it's called typography, the way that it's written. I thought it was very unique and I decided to get it. It also includes envelopes as well, so you can write your little message, put in some sticker flakes if you want. I tend to do that. I put in some sticker flakes because they're nice and thin, and then you can just enclose it in the envelope. So there's that. Next one here is the same Chalkboy from Chalkboy here, and it's a sticker set. I will, if I have time, I would like to do a journal with me after this unboxing video and open these up with you. You'll see, you can kind of see there's some gold foiling on some of the stickers. It's a really nice touch. Next on the list is a plate from Classicy, and this one is the cat. It's right here. It's so cute. So I mentioned in the description page that these are handmade. They're made in Japan and they use a special printing technique on these ceramic plates. The printing method is called imbante. I think I'm pronouncing that right. I'm not too sure, but that's why you may notice, like for my cat right here, the face has a little bit of discoloration, but that's just part of the printing process. And some parts might be a little bit fuzzy, but these are all made in Japan, handmade in Japan. So I hope you can appreciate that handmadeness of it. So that's the brand Katakata, and it's in collaboration with Classicy. If you are an OG stationery selection subscriber, we started off with a bear. We've also done the nice whale plate as well as the bird, the albatross, and then we have this cat. So the bear, the whale, the albatross, and the cat. One of my really lovely subscribers, she sent me a photo of her collection, and I was just so thankful to see that. So there's the cat plate here. You can, sometimes the plates I put in like small little, like when I'm journaling, I'll have small cookies. The cookies in Japan are very small. So this plate would actually fit probably 2 or 3. But yes, I like to have a little snack when I journal, and these plates are perfect for that. You can, of course, put on your clips and inks and things like that as well. So there's the plate. Next on the list is the Kodomo no Kao stamp, and this one says, "Handle with care," and it's a circle one. I chose the ink, the VersaFine ink, this one right here in crimson red, because I do know that it is strong when it's completely dry. It is strong to water. So if you were to most likely use this on top of a letter, like if you're sending out any packages or if you're sending out postcards and things, you could use this ink right here. That it's in crimson red. If you want to see the imprints and things, you can visit Skylar's video down below. Next one is the Marche stickers from Midori. These ones right here, and they're very, very pretty. They're also gold foiled and they're tea themed. Very pretty, very thin, and I really, really like this, the collection that Midori is doing with these Marche stickers. So there's the tea theme. I thought this would go well with the plate. For myself, like I said, I like to use the plates to hold little snacks and things, so I thought the tea theme would be good for that. I mean, they're very cute as it is, but that's my thought behind choosing this set. Next is the paper pad. So I made a mistake. I'm very, very sorry. I wrote down here Midori paper pad, but it's actually a letter. Sorry, it's envelopes. These are envelopes in 4 different colors, and those are the colors right there. I made a mistake. I didn't read the description properly. My Japanese is not up to par at all, and this is a huge wake-up call for me because I can't believe I made that mistake. Oh, I'm so sorry. But yes, these are envelopes, and there's the 4 colors there. And it's nice. The frame is nice and big so that you can write the address right there in the middle, and it's a good size. It looks like that. And lastly, I know these are very, very huge right now. They're the Sarasa Vintage, the clip ones, and so there's the vintage colors that were released a while back, and then they released a new set of vintage colors just recently, and I was able to get these, but unfortunately I didn't get to choose a color because they're so popular and they were just released. The one that I have is Bordeaux Purple. I wanted to mention, when I was packing, I realized that when I opened up the box, there were some of these loose ones. So not all of the pens will have the protective wax covering. I don't know, for some reason, maybe it got shifted while it was in transport, but some of these red balls actually came off. I don't want you to think that they're not brand new. They are brand new and they're not used or anything. But yes, like I said, everybody has a different color. They came in various colors. So this was in the Bordeaux Purple. And lastly, this is our business card. I'm going to mention this again. I mentioned this quite a while ago, but I try my best not to include this every single time, especially for subscribers, because I'm just trying to be a little bit more environmentally friendly. I have several requests that people want to have them every single month, even if they are a subscriber, and that's totally fine if that's what you want. If you would like a business card every single time, just send me an email and I will gladly put one in for you. But if you are a subscriber and you notice, oh, I don't get, my business cards anymore, that's just the reason why. I don't want to put them in every single time. I'm just being a little bit more environmentally friendly. I do put them in my design team members' boxes, but I'll have to contact them and see. Maybe I will stop doing that. But yeah, if you want one every single month, just shoot me an email. It's hello@thestationaryselection.com. Once again, if you do follow on Instagram, please email if you have questions instead of DMing, as I'm not on all the time, and it's hard when I get a DM and somebody says, do you know where my order is? Or can you tell me about where my box went? And their ID is like something totally different and I can't connect the two together. Whereas if you send me an email, I can search your email and check your account on the computer, and it's a lot better that way. So if you do have questions, please do email me instead, even if it's just a simple question, because I check my emails a lot more frequently compared to Instagram. And that's the information there. I think next month I'm going to do something a little bit different. I usually release the new box or the next month's box sometime in the early on in the month, but I think I'm going to push it back a bit. The subscribers will get billed automatically on the 20th. That's not going to change at all, so don't worry if you are a new subscriber. If you are a subscriber. But I think with the next box, which is May's release, I think I'm going to release it sometime later on in April, so probably closer to the subscriber date, which is the 20th. So I may release it sometime maybe the 19th or maybe even the 20th of April. But anyways, stay tuned on Instagram and Facebook and I will post the official release date and time. But just giving you the heads up, May's box will be released sometime in later April, so maybe the 18th, 19th, or 20th of April. That way it's all around the same time as the subscribers, and I think it'll be a little bit easier for me to manage. I'm just going to try it out. Maybe I'll try it out for a couple months and see how that goes. And if it doesn't work out, then I'll just go back to the original plan or the way that things used to be. a friendly reminder that the April boxes will start to ship out probably the beginning of April, and all of the boxes will be shipped out by mid-April. So I think that's it. I was thinking of doing a journal with me, so I may do that in a separate video using these really pretty stickers. And yeah, I think that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.